Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is Monica. Today I'd like to introduce some packaging for candies to you. Our pouches for candy are using multiple layers of berry films to ensure that the contents stays away. They are the time of packaging, even after prolonged storage. Berry packaging keeps the candies isolated from odor, sunlight, moisture, and dirty. One more added advantage of this pouch is that they are manufactured using FDA-approved material, which ensures that the container remains contamination-free. Pouches are produced from a multi-layer laminate that includes aluminum foil. They are a high barrier pouch that work great for the confectionary market and come with a zipper and a tear notch for reclosure. And also you can add a hanger hole that allows your product to be packed from pegboard in multiple quantities. Want to know more details? Please feel free to contact us. See you next time. Bye.